It's one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. Jade's had eggs in her for 2 weeks. We've taken her to the vet 3 times. She's had 2 hormone shots. She's had a calcium shot. She's had a shot for anti-inflammatory. And she's moving a little bit, but she's very unresponsive. And I've got a feeling she's dying on me. And I'm quite sure she is. You know, people think because it's not a cat or a dog, you don't love them. And you do love them. You have a very strong emotional bond with your snakes. And my heart's been ripping out all night seeing her go through this. And there's nothing more we can do. She has an appointment tomorrow afternoon, if she makes it that long, to try and see if they can get the eggs out of her. But let me tell you one thing. We love our snakes just as much as anybody loves their cats and dogs. And I've been up with her all night, praying for the best for her. And she's holding on. I've kept her right by my side in this tote all night. And I've been up with her all night. I just pray to God she survives. My heart's ripping out now and she's not doing very well. But don't ever assume that snakes aren't loved like you love your other pets, because they most definitely are. I'm praying she hangs on today. Yeah, I look terrible. I've been up all night with Jade watching over her. I just pray she makes it. You know, for people that don't think snakes are important to people that keep them, they're very important to us. We have a very close emotional bond with them. The ones that spend quality time with them and handle them and work with them. Yeah, I look wild. I washed my hair and went to bed. I kept waking up last night. I had a feeling something was wrong. I went over to check on her and she wouldn't move. She wouldn't pick her head up or anything. But yeah, it's hard. It's really hard to lose an animal that you've spent 7 years emotionally attached to.